Hello friends, welcome to Vidyascooking channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I prepared this effortless and wonderful Paneer Biryani recipe. So today I'm trying Chef Boss's ready to cook sauces and masalas. From their range of sauces and masalas, I'll be using Hyderabadi Biryani paste. Chef Boss is a wonderful brand which offers unique range of international and Indian sauces and masala pastes. Chef Boss's sauces and masala pastes are so easy to follow with just 3-step instructions. I've heated a handi, added oil and ghee. Once the oil and ghee has heated well, I've added cardamom, shahi jeera, cinnamon sticks, star anise and bay leaf. I fried it for a minute's time. I'll be adding cashew nuts and fry it further. Now I have added sliced onions. We need to fry the onions till it turns transparent, just for 2 to 3 minutes. Now I have added slit green chilies, chopped carrot and peas. Fry the chopped carrots and peas for a minute and added 1 cup of water. Salt as per taste. Cover the veggies and cooked it for 5 minutes. Once my veggies have cooked, I've added the biryani paste. The instructions are so simple to follow. It's just 3-step instructions. I've cubed and added my paneer. I'll just cover it and cook it for 2 minutes. Now I'll reserve half the amount of the paneer masala. We'll be adding some coriander and mint leaves, and I layer my biryani masala with 6 cups of rice. So the first 3 cups of rice is layered in the first layer. I'll be adding the reserved paneer masala and again layer the other 3 cups of rice. I've also added some mint and coriander leaves. Now I'll cover and dum cook it for 5 to 10 minutes on very low flame. Now once my biryani has done, I'm just going to fluff it up, add some lime juice, and I'll serve my Hyderabadi Paneer Biryani. So I really enjoyed the Chef Boss's biryani masala. The taste was excellent. Do give this recipe a try friends, and do try their masala paste. All the ingredients used in this recipe along with a detailed description on Chef Boss will be in the description box below this video, along with my social media handle links and my blog link. I'll be seeing you soon with the next recipe video. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.